Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, thank you so much for being here. So I'm gonna go ahead and spread the bed and something. And guys, don't forget to like up the video. So I'm on the road with Azzy walking. There he is.
I don't need I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent.
As I'm gonna say the time cool, it cool. So guys, I'm just neating up back the bed. Even though I not pull up. Because we slept on top of the sheet. I use something thicker for cover. Right. Alrighty.
I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. From the bed, eat body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Baby, tell me what you in the mood for. Tight shit, we should get a room for. Got me in the mirror getting cute for. Like back, let me show you what I do for. Pull up the bad light in a new toy. Blow back, now we kissing in the food court. You tight guy with a stiff scoop for. This shit I got you in my mood for. I wanna live in your skin. When I jump out, you jump in. Hot feet, I dip in my pants. Same way I fit you in my plans. Let the fact that we just friends. And I hate that we just friends. Round two, he won't revenge. Over again and again. Can you? I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. From the bed, eat body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. Damn, sheesh, you make it so hard to be paid. Got me wearing my heart on my sleeve. I be missing you soon as you leave. Damn, really missing you soon as you leave. Double texting, it really ain't me. Double tap on that pick and delete. I got him bringing sand to the beach. He got me going up on the yacht. I'm like, keep going, baby, don't stop. Only one gotta keep it in box. Katie vibes like you seen her all. I get messy, you might need a mop. Just like Messi, we kick it a lot. Why she texting, I'm climbing on top. Got me screaming at your first name. Picking up on the first ring. Come do me the worst way. Don't care what no birds say. You was always first play. Got me calling out word today. Come give it to me, babe. I really need somebody. Tell me you get somebody. I don't care about your body. Love the way you touch my body. From the bed, eat body. I never tell nobody. All I want is you, boy. All I want is you. All I need is you, boy. All I need is you. It's just me and you, boy. It's just me and you. I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody.
Think we should do something crazy. Like say fuck everyone. Just run away from the daily routine. Yeah, you know what I mean. Telling everybody all mine that I'm thinking. And I really hope you don't mind, I can't fight it. perfect day with ya. Wanna lay with ya, spend the night with ya, and spend my life with ya. Alright, alright, alright. Yeah, you heard me right. I'll go everywhere you go. You know I'll go.
So guys, I'm just folding the blanket up. Almost said the blanket here warm. It's warm, but so we have come to the end of spreading the bed, guys. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how it looks. So, guys, this is how the bed look after I finish spreading it. So I'm gonna go ahead sweep out inside and stuff. So my bedroom looking good. See, this is how it looks. Okay. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm gonna be taking a walk around. Okay. All right. So guys, I'm going for a little walk right about now, and never look some bush. So I'll definitely see you in the next part of the vlog. So I'm on the road with Azzy walking. There he is in the early morning. So we have to in a sweater to be in a sweater to hold place cold. It I think foreign at the backside. Wearing matching sweater, guys. Matchy. Say hello to the people. My husband are one piece of comedian. Yeah, one piece of comedian. Anyways, guys, may I stretch my little lazy foot them and something. Try getting in some early morning walk. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time we drop a video. Yes, because my husband is part of my channel. Yes, guys. So I definitely catch you back either when I'm going back down or when I reach in. See you guys. Guys, we're gonna take early morning walk. I saying me. So yes, guys, walking on our way back down. Panababa, my husband, guys. Mm. So if you wanna see me on the road with nobody, wanna tell me here? Yeah. Tell me in the comment section. Just kidding. Ain't not gonna trouble like that. We're in the same road. We're going back down, so we see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Peace, love. Out.